When it comes to cycling, having the right bicycle saddle can make or break your cycling experience. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best bike saddles available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Celitalia S3 Flow Bike Saddle. The Celitalia S3 Flow Bike Saddle is very similar to the female version, but it has been designed to fit a male rider's body better. The saddle itself is still quite firm but also soft enough to support you while you are cycling. The cutout in the middle helps allow more comfort and ventilation. This saddle has a gel layer combined with a silicone layer that gives great support and comfort while you are riding. Both of these layers absorb any shocks and vibrations you may feel while you are out cycling on uneven surfaces. This is a durable saddle with a microfiber cover and manganese and chromoly alloy rails. This is an easy saddle to install and will provide you with an enjoyable ride. Number 4. Selle Anatomica X1 Saddle. The Selle Anatomica X1 saddle is made in the USA and has been made with the utmost comfort in mind. You'll immediately notice a slot in the saddle running through the middle. This slot will move with you as you ride, giving you more support on your pelvis as you ride. Alongside this, the Selle Anatomica X1 saddle is made with the finest leather possible, which will give you a luxurious feel. With the dual reinforcing laminated leather layers, this leather is durable and will last on your saddle. The leather molds to your body for the perfect fit. However, unlike other leather saddles, this saddle takes a very long to be broken in and should be quite comfortable right out of the box. This leather seat is supported by long chromoly rails. Overall, this is one of the most comfortable leather bike seats on the market. Number 3. Celitalia Lady Gel Flow Bike Saddle. The Celitalia Lady Gel Flow Bike Saddle has been designed to fully comply with a woman's shape. This saddle is made with a large hole in the middle of the saddle for ventilation. Inside the saddle is made with a gel layer which will provide you with the best comfort possible. This is then combined with a thin layer of silicone gel. This gel absorbs any bumps or vibrations you may feel on the road while out cycling. This saddle has a microfiber cover which helps extend the life of your saddle, making it a lot more durable. The rest of this saddle is made from high strength and flexible manganese and chromoly alloy rails. The Celitalia Lady Gel Flow Saddle is easy to install on most bikes and will provide you a lot of protection and comfort while on long bike rides. Number 2. Ergon SMC Sports Gel Saddle. The Ergon SMC Sports Gel Saddle was designed to give comfort for mountain bikers and bike-packing riders. The SMC saddle distributes the rider's weight onto their sit bones, which should then prevent any chances of discomfort. This saddle is made using soft foam with gel inlays which increases comfort for long bike journeys. The padding of this saddle is comfortable but still firm enough for those longer bike riding days. You will notice a hole in the saddle and at the moment we don't see any benefit that it brings. This saddle is all about removing any pressure points and giving you the most comfortable and enjoyable ride possible over any terrain. There is an Ergon SMC men's version and an Ergon SMC women's version. Number 1. Brooks B17 Saddle. The Brooks B17 saddle has been handmade in England. These saddles are made from the highest quality vegetable tanned leather. This is a durable saddle made with black steel rails and rivets and a chrome frame for added strength and durability alongside comfort. Many around the world cyclists have been using this saddle for years and clocking up tens of thousands of miles. It will last a very long time. It is very easy to fit onto your bike and takes mere minutes to easily slot and clamp into place. The B17 is available in a range of different widths and colors, so you can buy one that suits you and your style. Overall, this is not only the most popular touring bike saddle on the market, but the best saddle for bike touring. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.